The law of attraction, how to use it. The law of attraction is a spiritual principle that, as we saw in the previous video, indicates that like attracts like and that positive thought can bring about a more positive reality. So, how do I put it into practice? Here are some useful pointers. 1. Visualize. Imagining something you want to happen is a powerful way to make it happen. You can visualize the future you want in your head or manifest it physically by sketching it out. Some people like to create what many call a vision board. 2. Speak it into existence. Speaking your desires out is another approach to bring them from your mind's imagination into the realm of reality. So, saying things out loudly like I am worth $10 million or I am now the owner of a penthouse in New York. 3. Practice gratitude. Since like attracts like, actively focusing on the blessings in your life might bring more prosperity. Making a note of things you are grateful for helps to remind you of those things, daily. 4. Reframe a lack mentality. Concentrating on your lack of love, money, happiness, etc. simply serves to perpetuate that lack. Always think best case scenario. Let go of how you think things should happen, trust the universe to work its magic, and remain open to what the cosmos thinks is best. And finally, 5. Synchronicities. These are significant coincidences that seem almost miraculous. It's certainly an indication that you're on the correct path if coincidences relating to your objective keep happening. Things like repeating numbers is a classic example. Once you've mastered the above or put them into practice, here are 3 key areas where people apply the law of attraction. The first is love and relationships. The first step in using the law of attraction to attract more love into your life is to become aware of any potential unconscious resistance you may be experiencing. For example, the universe may be delivering you unavailable people as a sign that something within you is still unavailable. Once you've identified this obstacle, you may focus on removing these internal barriers and developing a more approachable way of dealing with others. Trust the universe to deliver you the companion you need, not necessarily the one you think you want, by tuning into who you truly are and what you want. The second is career goals. It's crucial to be explicit about what you want when using the law of attraction in your career. Be specific if you can, such as I make X amount of money in X city or I want to work with like-minded people who support my views. If you want that job or career, then imagine what that new you would do, earning more money living in that city. And finally, money. It's easy to adopt a scarcity mindset when it comes to money. Instead, make an effort to put more of an emphasis on what you already have than what you don't. The phrase abundance flows through me, so I can cheerfully share is a good one to use. Try it. Say it out loud. To sum up, the law of attraction is fundamentally about changing your perspective to one of plenty, asking for what you want, and coordinating your actions with your wishes. When you are able to achieve those things, you may take control of your life and attract a wide range of possibilities.